How to fix the cellular data not working on iPhone after iOS 27 update. First, open Control Center. Here, turn off cellular data. After 10 to 20 seconds, turn it on. After this, your problem will be fixed. If the issue remains, then open Settings. Here, turn on aeroplane mode. After 10 seconds, turn it off. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Now go back. Scroll down. Here, tap on General. Tap on Software Update and update your iPhone software. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Here tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. After this, reset network settings. After resetting, go back. Restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed.